So I've got my breakfast stuff now. Flipping it, that stinks. So through in the mornings and through the in the middle of the day and stuff, I've got something I can eat, man. And it's not been too expensive either. So I paid $2 and I got a kilo of mango and half a kilo of oranges. And I believe with that it's gonna help me. That looks nice. It's gonna help me stay. I'm not gonna get peckish, like, because it's a bit expensive over here. So I'd rather not spend money, and like I'm so strict on my budget that I gotta be careful that I don't get hungry, like I don't lose weight from being hungry. So I'm buying, you know what I mean? I'm buying some fruits and stuff so that I can keep myself hydrated and stuff. Because I am being a little bit tight over here. I don't like this. I don't like this dollar. It's really like bothering me. Like every minute, it's just giving money away all the time because they've chose to go with the dollar. It's really, really irritating for me. So I'm fighting it a little bit and not giving them what, you know what I mean? Like some of the prices are not what it's supposed to be over here. So I'm not happy to always pay the money, you know. So because of that, like like last night, I had to buy a bag of crisps, and the crisp cost me thousands in real. And then I started to realize, and I looked at the I went into 7-Eleven, and then I realized, right, that 7-Eleven is overcharged. Like you go to 7-Eleven for a pack of Lay's, they want $1.42. You put another 50 cents with that, you can get a meal, like a proper meal. And it's like the crisps are not worth $1.40 anyway, even in my country. So people that have got less money than me have to pay more money for a bag of crisps than I pay in my country. It's like, how do they afford that? Like, if I'm thinking it's expensive and I've got more money than these people, how do they afford these things, man? It's unfair. It's like we're not even on an island. Why? And I'm sure it's down to the dollar. It's just crazy. And then I'm trying to tell the girl in the shop here that this is expensive. I'm saying even Thailand's cheaper than this. And then she got funny with me, like going, well, you're not in Thailand now, you're here. And I'm like, yo, like, you don't need to be upset. I'm not, you know what I mean? Like, it's not your fault. Like, you don't have to take offense to it. Like, it's expensive, and I'm just saying it's expensive. Like, she took it like I'm saying she's ugly or something. It's like, so I'm saying to her, it don't make sense. Even if you can get whatever Thailand, and I'm not in Thailand now. Think about what I'm saying. This is what I said to her. I said, let's say that the stuff's coming from America. Why is it? You're next door to Thailand, so why is your things costing more than when they're dropping them off to next door? When I said that to her, she went quiet then, and it's like they're not allowed to say nothing bad about the king or, you know, the place. So she went silent and kind of like made me feel like she understood what I was talking about. And so like I'm saying to her, like, I'm not having a go at you. I'm trying to explain to you that this is expensive. Like, you don't have to take offense to it. And she got it and then just kept her mouth shut. Like, because it was a weird situation. So yeah. So I like it over here. And if I had a job and I was getting an income in the city or the town, then yeah, I don't mind spending the money back. But when I just come here with my spending money, and then I see these prices, you can, you can watch your money just disappear. And I hate when you see it like that. Like, even though like the currency is like really low, it's because I'm in this area. That's why I went to the market outside of the main center, just to see if there's a better price. And I don't think I went far enough still. Even though it was far, it wasn't far enough. I felt a bit of love with the prices, but nothing to go, oh guys, I tell you what, like nah, it wasn't that. But at least I got a breakfast now. Get some more energy in my body, and have something sweet, man. Like, everything I'm eating is like it's like serious food. Like, this will keep you. You won't get hungry if you eat all of this. So now I'm gonna, like, I got a bit of fun food, man. I can have a mango in the morning. But like, yeah, like this country grows mangoes, coconuts, bananas, oranges, all of that, like, for a joke. Like, they don't even plant them when they just grow, and it's like, then they're gonna charge you mad price. Like, it shouldn't be €3 for shouldn't be $3 for a kilo of mangoes. Right? With the amount of trees, look, there's a mango tree. There's 3-4 mango trees in front of me. So it's like, I believe, yeah, and there ain't no law to this, but it's like, somehow they need to get someone who has a job, and their job's to like count how many mango trees are in the area. And it's like, if there's so many in the area, then it brings down the value of how much you can sell them for, because we can just get them off the trees in that area. That should be a part of the government. You know what I mean? Just got people just like trying to sell you 2 mangoes for like mad money, and it's like, how can you try and say that, man? And like, they're just dropping everywhere. Hello? Bananas the same, coconuts the same. But what I do like about here, right, is they put my country to shame, man. They do a lot with like, that's something I gotta give the Thai people and the Cambodian. They use every part of that. Like, if they use the coconut, they use everything. Everything's got a use. My country don't do that so much. Look, this is an example. There's just fruit growing on the side of the road. So this should bring down the price of the fruit in. I know you can't just go and pick up fruit, but you know what I mean. Like, there's fruit available, man. Fruit on the floor, they're being wasted. So, but anyway, yeah, they're very resourceful. My country are as well, but there's a point where they're cut off. I've noticed. We're over here, everything gets used, man. And they make a lot of products out of you know what I mean? Like, my country, it seems to make, I mean, like, they're very copy each other kind of thing, when they could do other things, but because it's working for someone else, they just copy that instead. Where over here, I see people creating their own lane, and creating their own product, and it's working out for them. So I'm happy to see that. And I like to get out in the day before it gets too hot. But now we're back at the hotel. My guy's here. Yeah. See you later, guys.